I don't know why, but it seems like every time I start to record, I get sick. I'm blaming you.
Pull me up some rock, whoa, fill it to the top, whoa. Getting bent 7 days a week, that's a lot, whoa. New chain, that's a lot, whoa. Too drippy, get the mop, whoa. Counting money, bloopers only, just know that's a lot, whoa.
Skxppy.
If you don't know, I'm Skxppy, and welcome back to another video. Word. So, this is a continuation of my last video, or how many other videos behind. We are gonna work on learning how to make R&B. We did chords, so now it's time to do melodies, cause you can't just have a beat with just a chord. So today, I'm gonna learn how to make some melodies to the chord that I already made. Hopefully you tag along with me and learn how to do the same. Word. And since this is a part 2, I don't need to do too much talking, do I? Without further ado, in 3, 2, 1.
Take forever.
Alright, cool. So before I start doing the melodies, I want to recap on what we learned last time. So basically, with R&B chords, we learned that we use 7th and 9th chords. We use the major 7th, the minor 7th, and the dominant 7th. And for chord progressions, we use the 2, 5, 1 chord progression. The one that I made wasn't too strict on that chord progression. I kind of wanted to get my own little feel, which I always like to do. Because remember, if it's not your sound, then why are you making it? Word. We also learned how to count notes. So the first note would be 1, then you skip a white note, then you go to the next white note, that's 3. You skip 1, next one is 5, and then you skip 1, and the next one is 7. Now, that 5 white note we take and we move down an octave lower just to create some warm harmony, you feel me? Word. And we also learned in the EQ, you gotta EQ a little bit of that top half. And also, the wider the chord, the more beautiful the sound. Alright, cool. So now we got the chord up here, but we gonna make the melody. So, I'm gonna go pick like a lead or a, hold on, where I had to get the notes out. So I'm gonna get a lead and we gonna see what we could do with that, or a pad. Word. Let's see, what sound can we find? Okay, cool. So I found a sound and I laid down the first part of the melody. So I feel like EQing it, bro, or something, cause it's like it's really thick. Like, alright, cool. My bad, my camera died and the battery low, so I gotta speed it up. I learned that making R&B melodies, you copy the top notes. So as you can see, hold on, let me delete these. As you can see, we have the top notes here, here, and here. Boom, boom. Plug the... Oh my god, my fucking camera died again, bro. Hold on, y'all. Alright, cool. So, in the midst of my camera dying, I was able to construct... What? Oh my god. Alright, my camera keep dying, so we gonna have to work. But while my camera was dead and it was charging, I was able to construct. Yeah, look at that sandwich. Word. Nice little egg and cheese sandwich with some pickles on top. You know what I'm saying? A little Skxppy special. Word. I need a sauce though. Sauce would be fire. Alright, boom. But back into this. So I laid it on the top notes and I found a sound that I like. It sounds like this. I'm glad I noticed this now because this would have messed up the whole video. Alright, cool. So it sounds like this. Now, that's pretty cool. The only thing I want to change is I kind of want to EQ it. And I want to put it up an octave because I feel like right now it kind of like blends in a little bit too well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is that correct? Yeah, there we go. If you ever want to put stuff up an octave, what you gotta do is hold shift and click the up arrow 12 times. Boom, bang, boom. You got you the higher octave. Alright, cool. So that's one way that I make my melodies to this. This was a very interesting pad, so I kind of didn't need to do too much to it because it did its own little thing. So I'm gonna make another melody where I can show a little bit more creativity.
Take forever.
Alright, cool. So basically, all I did was copy and paste that melody. Let me get this off of here. Why you loop? Why you loop, boy? Take this loop off. Get out of here. Alright, cool. So I basically did the same exact thing. I just copy and pasted this melody to here. I like the melody. This is what I want to use for the melody. It's just the fact that I couldn't do too much with the other one because the sound was already interesting enough. So word. So we put it on the top notes. I raise it up an octave. I'm going to, I don't want to mess up this word. I'm going to glissando, right? So I'm gonna take it back like this. Actually, no, I'm gonna do this. Or so I'm gonna pull these back. I'm just gonna add it in the note below. Also, so first of all, I was touching the wrong one. This is why we look before we do. Word. Then I'm going to glissando this. So for some reason, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For some reason, the higher octaves is not playing, and I don't like that. So I'll put this in the A. That sound cool to me. But yeah, that's how you do a R&B melody. A little glissando works nice in there. Then you also have slurring the notes, which basically means dragging them out until they kind of reach a little bit over the new note, just to kind of mesh them together a little bit better. I'm not gonna hold you this because Sant is staring at me in the face. I'm hungry, bro. So now if I play all of those together. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, please leave a like, and if you don't, leave a comment down below to let me know how to grow. You feel me? Word. And don't be a freeloader. Sub up. So today we did the melodies. Before we did the chords. Now you know the next video is gonna be the drums. Word. And that's everybody's favorite part. Without further ado, peace. I got this one. Yeah. I hope you don't hate me after I go. You were the one who made me. I hope you don't replace me after I go, 'cause you're the one who changed me. I hope